2018 Lincoln Continental Review. The 2018 Lincoln Continental finishes in the bottom third of our luxury large car S. This is an extremely competitive class, and the Lincoln doesn't have a nice enough interior or good enough performance metrics to ahead of most rivals. New for 2018. No major changes. Pros and cons. Strong turbocharged engines. Outstanding front seats. Comfortable ride. Lower starting price than rivals. Rivals have nicer cabins, more up-to-date tech, and larger trunks. Below-average fuel economy. Unimpressive transmission. The 2018 Lincoln Continental lets you choose between 3 V6 engines, 2 of which are turbocharged. The turbos are the better choices, as they move the Lincoln more energetically than the base engine. Still, this car is a luxury cruiser first and foremost, a notion that the Continental's cushioned ride helps to reinforce. This Lincoln is composed around corners and has strong brakes as well, though some competitors' driving dynamics feel a bit more polished. Fuel economy is below average for the class. The Continental comes standard with a 3.7-liter V6 engine that puts out 305 horsepower, a 6-speed automatic transmission is also included. The engine has enough power for daily driving situations, but the transmission doesn't always shift smoothly or on time. This Lincoln is available with a 335 horsepower, 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 and a 400 horsepower, 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6. Both are better choices than the base engine thanks to their superior acceleration and more energetic feel. The twin-turbo V6 is only available in all-wheel drive models. The Continental's base engine gets below-average fuel economy, earning an EP estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. The 2.7-liter turbo V6 is the most fuel-efficient choice in the lineup. It gets 18 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. The 2018 Lincoln Continental uses a fair amount of premium materials, but some spots are subpar, which leaves this vehicle a step below some other luxury large cars. The front seats are extremely comfortable, and the rear seats have ample legroom though they're short on headroom. There are plenty of tech features, though they're less advanced than in some rivals. The trunk is on the small side, but it features a large opening and a low lift-over height. The Continental seats 5 and comes standard with heated, 10-way power-adjustable front seats and leather upholstery. Available seating features include 24 and 30-way power-adjustable seats, heated and ventilated rear seats, massaging seats, a heated steering wheel, and premium leather upholstery. The Continental's large doors make it easy to get in and out of the car. The front seats won't disappoint you, they're comfortable even compared to what other luxury cars provide. The rear seats have an abundance of legroom, but taller passengers will wish for more headroom. There are 2 full sets of latch connectors for installing car seats. The system is easy to use, though the lower anchors are set a little deep in the seat. You'll have no issues with the tether anchors, though. The Continental's standard features include dual-zone automatic climate control, push-button start, a 10-speaker audio system, satellite radio, and the Sync 3 infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen and voice recognition. Standard driver assistance features include front and rear parking sensors, park assist, My Key, and a rear view camera. Available driver assistance features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic braking, pedestrian detection, enhanced park assist, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system.